Hello everyone, I'm Professor Arnab Chanda. I'm an Associate Professor at the Center for Biomedical Engineering at IIT Delhi and also a joint faculty at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, which is AIIMS Delhi. I'm also a founder of a startup company, BioFit Technologies LLC, which is a US-based startup. And I've also recently appeared as the top 2% scientists worldwide as per the 2023 and 2024 global database of Scopus Elsevier and the Stanford University database. So executive program in healthcare entrepreneurship and management is a very, very unique program. And this is the first of its kind in the country, which teaches conception to commercialization of healthcare products. So some of the key takeaways from this program are you learn how to innovate new healthcare products and services from a value-driven and customer-centric standpoint, right? Next is you gain successful process-oriented design thinking capabilities, right? You become an expert in healthcare product prototyping and testing through learning of all its processes. You develop a strong foundation in branding, sales and marketing, and go-to-market strategies. Also, you learn key commercialization strategies such as business model development, how to acquire funding, how to look at the intellectual property rights and regulations which are surrounding the different healthcare products. And finally, what you get to learn is how to develop a successful startup. Whether you need any UX or UI design for any sorts of app development or any digital product or physical product development, these are all taught as a part of this course to finally take you to the market. So the criteria for this executive program is just a bachelor's degree. We prefer any prior work experience, but that is not needed. We invite professionals from all the background, whether you're an engineer, whether you're a doctor, whether you're coming from a science background or from a management background. So everybody is invited to come into this program if you have a bachelor's degree and enroll yourself to get into this journey of healthcare ownership. So IIT Delhi, as we all know, it doesn't need an introduction. This is one of the top institutes in the country and currently ranked 1 as per the QS Asia World Ranking. So IIT Delhi is known as an institute of eminence. This is one of the largest startup founders you can think about like in the country. This particular program is focused towards entrepreneurship as well as reskilling yourself towards the healthcare, right, space in the country. So Jaro is very close to my heart where we were able to put our first program together in IIT Delhi. We are very thankful to Jaro for all the support as the service provider in terms of the LMS which is being provided, the entire acquisition, sales, marketing which is handled by Jaro. So if you are part of the healthcare space or want to be associated with the healthcare space in any capacity, come join us for this program in IIT Delhi, and I'm sure you will have a great experience with the lot of knowledge-based learning and hands-on learning which we provide. Please join us in this journey.